Mm, 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 mm. Ba-da-ba, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Good morning, my good people. It's your boy Keyshawn, man. Chapter 7 of the mighty chapter of Millionaire Mojo. Building wealth. I want to come to you guys with some news, some happy news, by the way. So, 2 days ago, I have officially became a real estate agent of the state of Texas. Isn't it lovely? In this process of discovering different realties and different brokerages, it's been a long process because you got different brokerages like independent brokerages. You got different brokerages all around the state, right? So choosing a brokerage is so hard, but I could definitely tell you that my decision ended up picking EXP. EXP, out of everyone that I went to, like the corporate brokerages like Keller Williams and Century 21 and places like that. Like, don't get me wrong, I am all for the people and the different tours and everything that they got to provide, but to me, I just wasn't really that much of a fan of the way certain things were ran, so I kept my options open, and I came across EXP. They contacted me a little bit before, but as time progresses, people do lose contact. I also had a couple of other individuals that happened to work for this brokerage, and they told me that it was a pretty exciting time. So, ended up getting discovered when I signed up to get my license. So, ended up going and talking with this gentleman here. His name's Kent Bush over at EXP down here in Dallas. He told me about this process of how putting money back into my pocket. As a sales agent, it's not too many people talk about being retired. I would like to retire at a good note. The whole process of how he told it, you will basically be put into a share. I will get shares off of my business that I conduct. So my first transaction, I get shares into the company. They have shares in NASDAQ that you can go and you can look up on Robinhood, and you can also put some investments into there. It's like $14 a stock right now. So that's progressive. So over time, it's going to be an expansion. They got different programs that is going to be online, and it's going to be a wave of the future, I believe. So the way of technology, how technology is going to be influenced through the more so the computer age of our time, our technology time. So they got this thing on there. It's called EXP World. It's like if the Wii, those Wii characters were put into a Sims game, and it's about real estate. Whoa. Like, tell me that's not cool. I think that's pretty cool for the most part. And also, it's the teachings, the methods, the way that things are going about it. It's all about the agent. It's about you. It's about you helping your clients. The trustworthiness of people being able to, come do business with you. You got to think about this though. The method in what is being created over time. Like, I would personally say, if you need a broker, you can go get you a broker anywhere. There are people that will want to bring you on their team. The consumer index, our U.S. statistics of labor actually was increased over 9% within the last month, meaning to jobs are increasing. People are hiring. Brokers need agents. People need people. And all that, you can always get a brokerage, but there are only going to be certain brokerages that you can go to that are going to allow the certain necessity that you're looking for. So if you're looking to go into the business, or you're looking to go into the establishment and be on the computer, get the adjustment of being in the seat of working at a brokerage, you can go do that. They have activities where you can bring your children, you can go sit down, you can chop it up, and go do whatever you want to go do. They got that. Keller Williams, they got that. 20th Century 21, they got that. Like EXP, they got that. They got different brokerages, independent brokerages that do that. But the way of the age and the way of the time of how time is going and time is producing is the technology time. I would take a recommendation. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. I think you should give it a try. Come test it out, man. Come see what we're like. Because we got more great things coming. And on top of that, business is being conducted. Definitely. So I would like you to like and subscribe to the channel. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Also, keep checking out the other chapters that we have coming up. We're going to be having more chapters coming up in the future. And more chapters from the past. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget 6.